For this tutorial, you may need a pumpkin, tea light candles, painter's tape, off-white satin finish spray paint, sharpies, orange and black acrylic paint, and a feather boa of your choosing. First, you're going to clean out your pumpkin just like you would any jack-o'-lantern and cover the stem with painter's tape. Then you're going to draw ovals for eyes and circles within those ovals for pupils. Carve out the ovals, leaving the pupils attached to the pumpkin. Next, you're going to take your pumpkin outside and spray paint it. Make sure you give it plenty of time to dry before you start handling it again. And finally, you're going to paint an orange beak, black pupils, draw the eyebrows on, cut the feather boa in half, and use pins to attach it to the sides as wings.